This conference will now be recorded.
So now guys, I'm going to teach you first thing how to create image. Now there are many ways to create an image. Not all this method is possible, but at least one I'll show you. And second questions I'm having right now is how to share an image. That is a question, how to share an image. So these are the two questions which I'm going to teach you. So first of all, how to create an image. Guys, if you remember, image is nothing but a collection of root file system plus user file system plus application file system. Agree with me? All of you?
Yes.
So now how do we create an image? So simple method, one of the simple method which I'm teaching you how to create an image is using existing container only. Yes, actually official way, there's a way to create an image is Dockerfile, but Dockerfile becomes like a very time consuming topics. So right now I'm just covering the something which is easy to understand and easy to do it also. Okay, so using existing container. So now guys, there should be some requirement, right? So what is the requirement for creating image? So my manager came to me and said, Rajesh, can you do one thing? Create one image, and the image should be having the base Ubuntu, okay? And after that, you install the Git inside that, and Apache also, and maybe Java also. So this is the requirement which my manager gave it to me. That means whenever we should run image this container, we'll have a base Ubuntu, and these are the software should be installed. So did you understand the requirement also?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, got
Okay.
it, Rajesh.
So my manager said, how much time it will take for you to create an image? I said only 5 minutes. So he said, okay, go ahead. So now let me start my work. So first thing, I'm going to start my work. So I need a Ubuntu base container. So here Docker, I'll share all the commands, okay? Docker run -itd Ubuntu. This will create one container from Ubuntu. Okay, and you see here Docker PS. This container which you can see is mine. Okay, now this is the 40 character ID, and this is a short format actually. Okay, you can give the name also. I did not give a name. You can give a name also, and you can work accordingly. So this is my container. Now how do I go inside a container? So Docker exec -it this container bin bash. All commands you know that by now, more or less. Right now where I am, I'm inside a container. So this is a Ubuntu. You see that is a Ubuntu. apt is working actually. Now can we install the git? So apt get install git. Oh, git package not there. What I need to do? Update. So I'm updating it, and now I'm going to install the git inside a container. Done. So git is installed. Now I need to install Java and Apache also. So see, Java is also not there. So I will search in Google Ubuntu install Java. Okay, so the package name is default JDK. So this command will work. Okay, so I'll go here and run Java. I'm installing Java now. Yes. Now I need to also install Apache also. So Apache, I know that package name is Apache 2, so that I know that. So like that, anything which you want to install, you should know. So here there's no Docker skills. You need a Linux skill. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yeah. So let it install the Java. It will take few seconds, and after that I need to install Apache 2 in Ubuntu. I'm inside a container. I must remind you all. Done. So Java is also done. See here. Now next one, apt get install Apache 2 also. So like that, whatever you want to get it done, copy, paste, install, uninstall, delete, modify, do whatever you want in container. Done. And after that, my which Apache 2, let me see, is installed. Now exit this container, and now this container, you know what? Docker PS. This container, you have everything which my manager wanted. Let me validate one more time from outside. So here Java is there, Git is there, and which Apache 2 I validate is there. Wonderful. Container has everything. Now what to do? So now I have to create an image. So how do I create an image from the container? Docker commit -m for message. It has Ubuntu update. In fact, Git also, Apache also, and Java also. All this thing you have in this image actually. And who are you? Author. My name is Rajesh Kumar. And which container you want to commit? So I want to commit this container. Which what image name you want to commit? So this image. This is the command. And now this image will be created. Let me show you. Okay, see here Docker images. See that image has created, the size is 907. So earlier I modified the Ubuntu image and I got this new image which is of 970. That means this image you have a Java, Apache and Git. Can we validate that after the image creation? Docker run -itd and -name, and I'll name it this same, or in fact shorter. Let me make it Raju one image container, and which image? This image. Docker PS, clear the screen. Docker PS. This is the container Raju1. I'll verify Docker exec Raju1, and Git is there. Java is there, and which Apache 2 is there. Understood all of you? Understood all of you?
Yes.
So these are the command I run. Internal command I'm not sharing you. You have to find out from the Google. Why? Because that is how you learn actually. All the Ubuntu command to install Apache and all, you can find out from the Google. Okay, so this is the Docker command I run it. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Rajesh, like in the Ubuntu container, we have installed the Git and Apache and Java, right?
Right, yeah.
And after that, why did you commit those things? Like, is there any backup for that? And
So
why did?
see that, remember that what was the requirement? I wanted to have an image. Remind yourself. I wanted to, here, wait a second. So I wanted to have an image. So I committed container to get an image. Now there is a theoretical sessions which also is there. Now in detail, what is image, what is layer, and what is more detailing and all. I'm not complicating right now. But remember, I told you you are creating an image. How to create image? Then I told you using existing container. So you get the base container, modify whatever you want to do inside a container, and commit that container, and you get an image. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah. So image. So all of you got understood that how to simplest way to create an image.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
here I created this command, we created image, and this command I tested that image. And you know this command already.
Yeah, for using the image, we will run the container, right? So
Yeah.
those are the steps we have done.
Yeah. Okay. So now next question is, okay, fine. But my manager is asking, Rajesh, share with me an image. So I said I completed the work, but he's saying share with me. So how do I share? So I will share with the hub.docker.co. Guys, it's like a GitHub. Anyone can register a free account. I have an account and password, and you can also get it registered. So here, go to the sign in. I have user accounts already. A lot of junk image I have created. So create a repository, just like a GitHub you do that. So what is the day? Monday, right? Monday, August 2022. This is my repository. So repository name is DevOps School / Monday tap tap tap. It's public repository. You can only create one private repository. So here I created. Now how do I push it? So that I will teach you where to push it. See here, there is no push right now. So if you go to the tags, there's no image right now. So this is the private view. You can see public view also. Just like you are using Ubuntu, Apache, HTTPD, Tomcat, MariaDB, some right like that. This is my image actually. So I have to push it. You know what I have to push it. So what I'm going to do. So guys, I'm going to push this image. Which image? This image. So let me do that. So first thing I have to go. I'm going to log in. How do we log in to hub.docker.com? Using command line docker login. That's all. So docker login, enter. What is username? So my username is DevOps schools. I'll just copy paste. Password I am not telling you. Okay, this is a secret. I hope I remember the password. See, I don't remember the password. I hope this time, no, I forgot the password actually, because we don't use on daily basis. That is a problem. Hopefully this one. Yeah, wonderful. So guys, this is the login succeeded. After that, what I will do, this is the image, okay, which I want to upload it. So this image must match the image repository, which is C repository, must match with this name actually, this name. If it's not matching, then it will not be able to upload. So what to do? Docker tag will use, okay, and we'll rename this image to, aliases actually, to this image. And you see here, Docker images. See here, this is the image I created, and this I tagged it. Both are same, heading to same image ID, same size also. So just a tagging actually. So this has to be matched. Now Docker push, which one? This one, and enter. And now it started pushing all the images. So now after a few minutes, once the pushing is completed, whole world can pull this image, including my manager, and he will get Ubuntu plus Apache plus Git plus Java. Understood now?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So this is something which we have to do that. So now each one of you will create an image. No matter what you do inside an image, a container, and create an image. What you do inside a container, I don't care. But create an image and then register at the hub.docker.com and push that image. All the commands which I'll share with you through the notes, and get good. So guys, done. Let's refresh this and go to the tag. Go to the tags. It's latest here. So now anyone who wants to do that, he can do the pull. So this is a private view. If you want to see the public view, means for the people, this is the one. You should fill the documents and this, that, and all, and get it. Okay, so this is your task now. Next task. So I must share with you all the commands, how to share an image. So where is a login? Here it is. So these are the commands I run for the sharing an image. These are the commands I run to create an image inside a container. Whatever the command Ubuntu I run it. Now it's up to you. Okay, apt get is a Ubuntu command. Whichever you want to install it and commit it. You don't have to install all the software. One software, one file change is okay for the dev. All of you understood this?
Yes, Raj.
Okay. So